Alright, today we learn how to paint this octopus. Alright, let's run through the colors. Ultramarine blue, twin blue, primary yellow, cad yellow, quin red, pearly red, turquoise, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to paint an octopus. Kind of our first layers in, kind of this nice turquoise to really dark. I want the really dark to kind of stand out and make the orange really pop. We got a little variation. We still need to kind of get this really tight, and then I can add the tentacles. I don't want to add the tentacles until I got these outlines really clear and they look pretty good. As long as I got the blue to orange, that contrast done, then I can get that really filled in really nicely, the base colors I want to get, then I can add to the next layer. But until I get these base colors right, I'm gonna have to keep working with that. So hopefully I can finish it in this layer and move on to the next layer. For the water, I think it's pretty good so far. I might add a little bit more color on top, but I'm feeling pretty comfortable. I've done kind of a lot of detail work and then brushed it out on the top to kind of give it a wash over. And the wash over gives it that kind of nice, pulls it together. Similar to an oil, that would be a lot easier, I think, but with acrylic you kind of have to play with it. You have to kind of block it in and then kind of smooth out the paint as you go along. So we'll see how it develops in the next layer. finished the octopus. I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, overall it looks like an octopus, reads like an octopus, so that's your main thing. I could do a lot more detail work on the tentacles to make them look more rounder, better back shape, but it's a lot of work. I mean, I think at this size I'm only selling 75, so it's pretty cheap. I don't want to spend a lot of time, so it's kind of a time versus cost balance. Once my prices go up, I'll definitely spend more time. I don't know if I want to paint an octopus again. It's very challenging, especially at this size. You got all these little detail work on the tentacles, and again, the price point kind of thing is. But I like overall artistically, I think it looks cool. To get the tentacles right, you probably have to change a lot of the greens and everything to make that tonality of the tentacles actually follow the form of the shape. In this case, we have the orange and the reds and everything kind of give it the contrast, but the tentacles aren't really showing the highlights. I had a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, but really to do it right, you'd have to do them darker and etc. to make those look right, and kind of that off orange color as well. They're not really pure green, but I just did that to kind of contrast with the orange so it pops more. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. Hopefully someone likes it and gets it, and hopefully you guys like this painting tutorial. See you on the next one.